How to view debit card number on the Chase app. To view your debit card number in the Chase mobile app, you may follow up these steps. So what you can do is head over to chase.com, look out for the sign in option at the top right corner, or you can even download the application if you prefer, and basically sign in into the Chase app. And you may use your credentials for that, your username and password, and tap on sign in, and you will be signed in. And once that is done, you need to go ahead and tap on the tile for your checking account. So just go ahead and tap on it. And from there, in the drop down menu, to view your account details, which may include your card number. Alternatively, you will be finding digital card information by swiping to manage account and then tapping on the digital wallet option and specific card to view its details. And that way, you can view your debit card number, and that's it. That is how you basically find a debit card number very easily within the Chase app. You can open the app and look out for see card option within the app, and that way you can find your card details, including the debit card number. So therefore, if you'd also like to view your debit card number, you may follow up this method. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.